The gratitude journal is now available on the link I'm going to provide under where you're watching this video. I just want to run you through how it's going to look like and what we will need, what you need to get access to the journal. So what you want to do when you click on the link, it takes you to this page. It says new book, new ebook, get my free gratitude journal now. So what you need to do is just put your first name and then you put your email address, and then a quick a prompt will come up to say approve for your. I'm just going to use my brother's email and his name so that we could see if it works, and let's see what happens. So oh, it's gone, but because I sent it to him before, so usually you will get a prompt that says approve of for your information to be used for this website, and you just, if you click the two prompts that comes up like tick off, and then it goes to your email, right, like this. And so when you do this, it says success. Now click on your email to confirm your subscription. Now you click on your email, you get an email, and then you go to your email, the email which you put in, and then you confirm subscription. And then what you want to do when you do that, then you have access to this. So you're going to have something like this pop up. Now, a template created by Overi Father was shared with you. Start designing now. So this is a template you get. When you get something like this, then you click on use templates. Now this template is going to pop up inside of Canva. I'm afraid if you do not have Canva on your phone, or if you could just download Canva easily, I'm going to drop my Canva link so you can use the link to download your free Canva on your mobile phone. Or if you want to use Canva on your laptop, on your iPad, you could just go on Canva web, on the website, create your profile there, and you have access to this material. So it's quite easy. And then when you get access to it, you're able to, I'm going to show you what the journal looks like. So you're able to use the journal, you're able to edit and do whatever you like with the journal. Now this is what it looks like. There's a front sheet, and if I expand it, I'm going to show you what I wrote there. Now, we do not realize there's so much to be grateful for until we write it down. So the thing about writing down, the thing, when they say the the is it the faintest pen or faintest ink is better than the sharpest memory? Yes, because if you write it down, you never get to forget. Write it down, it just shows how much it means to you, and it always helps you remember what you've written. So now we have sheets, we have blank pages where you can write over. So I'll advise, if you want to leave it like that, I have about 22 pages with the front and back page. Now the front page is this, and we have the back page, which is the last page, which is this. Now this, see, and I wrote, when we live a life of gratitude, God adds to us. So this is the back page. Now you can print this off on your printer and just put it in a book, bind it together and write on it. I advise you print it. You can print it out actually, and then if you want to print it as a booklet, if you have Canva, and if Canva allows you to print in your country, you can print, because I have ordered my own copy in hard copy. Now if you want to download it, I'm going to show you how to download it right inside of Canva. Now this is my laptop, and I'm using Canva web on my laptop. You can download it on your phone equally. It's just the same process. You just click on the right hand side, you see the share button, click on the share button, and then you click on download. Now when you click on download, it takes you to all the things you want to download. Now if you see, I have all 22 pages. You can decide to reduce the page by deleting some of the sheets, or you can decide to increase the number of pages by increasing and adding more to the sheets. I have 22 pages here, and then this is all the pages we have. Yeah, so you're okay with them, and then you can hit download. When you hit the download button, it takes it straight into your laptop, and you're able to print it, send to your phone, send to your printer, and print. You have to download it from Canva to be able to print. Yes. Then please do not forget to print it as a PDF. Do not forget to print as a PDF. If you're printing out, print as a PDF. Print as a PDF, please, and include notes. Yeah. Now, if you want to print on Canva, if you have access, if Canva allows you to print in your country where you're seeing this, you could just print my design. Now, if I'm going to be printing this design, I'm going to print it as a notebook. I'll click on notebook here, and now this is the front page. Then I'm going to select the back page, which is the last page. Click on the back page. Now it's going to look like this, and then I click continue, and then for soft cover is about £19, for hard cover is about £24, and Canva delivers straight to your doorstep for free. Depends on your location. If Canva is in your print and send to your location, fantastic, you can do it. If not, just go to your printer and print it and write on it. That's all that matters. And these are the pages, and this is what you get when you download this e-copy. Like I said, if you want to delete the pages, if there's too much for you, click on delete page. It deletes this one. I'll just show you. I deleted one page. Now if I want to multiply it, like increase number of pages, now it has reduced from 22 to 21. If I want to increase it, I'll just click duplicate page. It has gone about 22. So if I want to have about 60 pages, I just click on duplicate page without doing so much, and then I have a lot of pages. If I want, like duplicate, and keep duplicating until you're okay. I have 25 pages now. Print everything and have fun writing everything you're grateful for. Write all your successes, write your failures, and thank God for everything. Thank God for the strength to pursue, the strength to the fact that you're alive. Just write it down and tell God, or whatever it is you're grateful for, just write them down. It could be the tiniest thing. I'm able to afford to buy something. It could be things you do not even expect, like, yeah, the weirdest thing. Just say, God, thank you, or whatever you believe in, thank you, and just write it down. It helps you keep maintain an attitude of gratitude, and it helps you to do more fantastic things for yourself, and it helps you to keep yourself motivated and inspired to go on, to keep going, and to keep working on what you're working on. And even if you encounter barriers, but you're grateful for the barriers which you've encountered, because you're going to find success if you try again. It just helps you to propel yourself to keep going. So this is like a propellant. This is like the fuel you need in your to boost your energy to keep going, and just be grateful. So if you're doing things from a gratitude aspect point of view, you get to achieve a lot more. All right, thank you guys for watching. Please download Canva. Use the link in the description. Download Canva and enjoy, have fun writing all you're grateful for. I'll see you in my next post or in my next video. Thank you. From this side, my name is Overi. Thank you guys for staying till the end. Bye.